Welcome to the United Nations Library and Archives, Geneva. In this tutorial, we will show you how to find open access resources in Global Search. Global Search is the online catalog of the United Nations Library, Geneva. It allows you to search for millions of books, journals, articles, UN publications, and many more resources available in the library's collections. It includes a lot of open access content, which you can use without the need to open an account. Let's see how easily we can locate this freely available content and search for resources on sustainable development. In the search bar, type in sustainable development and hit enter. Go to the left side of the screen to see the available search filters, and under show only, click on open access. A filtered list of results is then displayed, which now only contains open access resources. You will notice that a specific open access icon and a label is displayed next to each resource in this list. You can obtain the electronic version of each of these resources either by using the one-click download option, which you can identify with the Get PDF green icon, or through one of the full text options visible upon clicking on the available online links. Both will let you view and download the resources. All this content can be obtained without visiting the library. In addition to our open access collections, our UN Resources digital collection can also be used by anyone from anywhere. You can quickly identify our UN resources when changing the scope of your search from UN Library Geneva to UN Resources. The list of results which appears is a combination of print publications available for loan or consultation in our library, as well as electronic publications maintained by our library and available to anyone. Go to the left side of the list of results and under Show Only, click on the filter Electronic Collections. You can now click on any available online link to view and obtain what we have in our digital collection of UN publications. And that's it. Now you know how to find open access content which is available to you anywhere in the world without restriction.